Are you looking to change your profile name on Facebook but have no idea how? In this video, I will teach you step by step how to easily change your profile name in a matter of seconds. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says personal information. So now at the top, you'll see an option called Name. So go ahead and tap Name. And now you have the ability to edit and change your name. You can enter your first name, middle name, and last name. One thing to keep in mind is that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. And also, don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, character, or random words to your name. Once you've entered your name, tap where it says Review Changes. And now you can choose how your name appears on your profile. Just select the one that you like from these two options. Enter your Facebook password over here, and then tap Save Changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.